Hey everybody, today I'm going to be testing the condition of the coolant in a couple of my classics by checking to see how much electricity the coolant is actually producing. I've been using this method ever since I first started driving. An old timer showed me how to do this way back when I was a teenager, and I've been using this method to check the condition of my coolant ever since. If the voltage level is less than 0.7, and as you can see here it's a lot less than 0.7, then the coolant is still good. It still has its corrosion protection and hasn't become acidic. The general rule is that if the voltage is higher than 0.7, the coolant has become acidic, and basically your coolant and your radiator are turning into a battery. I'm on a budget with my projects, so I don't want to be dumping antifreeze if there's no need to. So if the coolant is still good, I don't want to dump it if I can get a year or two more out of it. I also don't want to take a chance of not having the corrosion protection any longer and risking damage to my engine or my radiator. You'll note that the voltage is higher with the older coolant. If you found this video entertaining, informative, or helpful in some way, please don't forget to like it, and you can also comment in the section below. Thanks for watching.